Hello guys, welcome to my next video tutorial on C++ programming for beginners, and in this video we will see how to use C++ operators and expressions. In order to work with variables and constants and manipulate data, we need a way to operate with them. C++ provides operators for this purpose, and keyboard symbols are used to denote them. This video is designed to introduce different types of operators used and the different actions they perform on data. So, this is our today lesson, and let's start. Operators in C++. An operator is a symbol, which performs a certain action in a program. The symbols are mostly made of signs that are available in all keyboards. The actions are performed using a certain value or values. These values are mostly variables or constants and are called operands. C++ provides operators for composing arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, and conditional expressions. It also provides operators, which produce useful side effects such as assignment, increment, and decrement. Assignment operator. The assignment operator assigns a value to a variable. Assignment operator helps you to perform several operations on variables. This operator operates in a right-to-left rule. For example, if A equals B, here B is assigned to the variable A, which means the right value is assigned to the left value and never the other way. This is useful even in assigning the same value to couple of variable. If x equals y equals z equals 7, this expression is separately equal to x equals 7, y equals 7 and z equals 7. Assignment operator in C++ can also be used as the right operand of another assignment operation. This expression is equal to x equals 3 plus 7. Okay. Try to understand this demonstration. Arithmetic operators. C++ has 5 basic arithmetic operators. They are shown in this image. You can download this image, link is provided in description. Addition adds 2 operands. Subtraction subtracts the second operand from the first operand. Multiplication multiplies 2 operands. Division divides the first operand by the second operand. Modulus gives the remainder when the first operand is divided by the second operand. Operations of addition and subtraction are performed using their respective mathematical operators, and for multiplication and division computing symbols asterisk and slash are used. Modulus operator performs a bit different operation. It gives the remainder of a division of 2 values. Example 1. Result is giving 1 as the answer, since 1 is the remainder from division, 10 from 3. Example 2. In using arithmetic operators, a suitable data type needs to be chosen in defining variables. You would expect -2 as the answer, but -2 cannot be stored in the unsigned int variable. Just like we have explained in our second tutorial video, unsigned variables doesn't hold negative values, hence this can lead to unexpected, incorrect outcomes, as a solution difference can be defined as a signed integer variable, signed int difference or int difference. Example 3. You would expect an answer as 2.5, but as division is defined as an int type variable, it cannot hold a number with a fraction. Here you get the answer as 2, which is incorrect, as a solution division can be defined as a floating point variable. Okay, now you can try to do this activity. Try to do that within 1 minute. Write a program, which asks the user to input 2 integer values, then your program should perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, on the value the user entered and display the result on the screen. Okay, now your time start. See whether your answer is correct. Relational operators. C++ provides 6 relational operators for comparing numeric quantities. This image you can download, link is provided in description. Equal, is operand 1 equal to operand 2? Greater than, is operand 1 greater than operand 2? Less than, is operand 1 less than operand 2? Greater than or equal, is operand 1 greater than or equal to operand 2? Less than or equal, is operand 1 less than or equal to operand 2? Not equal, is operand 1 not equal to operand 2? Greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, operators have to be used exactly as shown in the table, others are incorrect. Characters are valid operands since they are represented by numeric values. Strings cannot be compared using the comparison operators. C++ provides separate functions to compare strings. In order to evaluate a comparison between two expressions, relational operators are being used. The result of a relational operation is a Boolean value that can only be true or false. For example, Boolean value is false as 4 is not equal to 3. Boolean value is true as 8 is greater than 2. Boolean value is true as 4 is not equal to 9. Boolean value is true as 10 is equal to 10. Here this expression also gives the Boolean value as true since 11 is greater than 10. Boolean value is false as 6 is not less than 6. You can try to understand this demonstration. Logical operators. Logical operators also evaluate to Boolean value true or false. We can see main 3 logical operations in C++. You can download this table, link is in description. True only if both expression 1 and expression 2 are true, false otherwise. True only if both expression 1 and expression 2 or either expression 1 or expression 2 true false otherwise. False if expression 1 is true, true if expression 1 is false. The operator AND denotes Boolean logical operation N. The operator denotes Boolean logical operation, OR. The negation operator performs the Boolean operation, NOT. For example, Boolean value is false because the expression at its right is true. Boolean value is true because the expression at its right is false. Okay, see this demonstration on the use of the logical operators. In this program only if both the eligibility marks and final exam marks are more than 40. It will display the message as passing the subject. The if and else statements will be discussed in future video. Increment and decrement operators. The increment operator and the decrement operator increase or decrease the value stored in a value. In this table show 4 increment and decrement operators. You can download this table, link is provided in description. Auto-increment, prefix, increment occurs before the variable value is used. Auto-increment, postfix, increment occurs after the variable value is used. Auto-decrement, prefix, decrement occurs before the variable value is used. Auto-decrement, postfix, decrement occurs after the variable value is used. The prefix form, the operator is applied first and the outcome is then used. In postfix form, expression is evaluated first and then the operator is applied. For example, after a single execution x equals 3 and y equals 3. After a single execution y equals 2 and x equals 3. In increment or decrement operators, the variable can only be incremented or decremented by one value. To increment or decrement a value in a variable by a larger or smaller value, it should be started as like this. This is equal to. This is equal to, amount equals amount minus 2. You must remember, increment and decrement operators work only with integer variables. You can try to understand this example. Conditional operator. The conditional operator takes three expressions and returns a value. If the condition is true, it returns one value, and if the condition is false, it returns a different value. If condition is true, the expression will return result 1, if it is not, it will return result 2. For example, return 7 as the condition is false. Returns x as condition is true. Proceedings of operators. In C++, there is an established order for the priority of each operator. This is called the Proceedings of Operators. The precedence is established for all the operators which can appear in C++. From greatest to lowest priority, the priority order is shown in the table given in this image. You can download this, link is provided in description. Operator precedence is defined in order to overcome some of the problems in performing calculations. For example, sometimes it is difficult to decide which operation to perform first. According to this table, a pair of parentheses has higher precedence than multiplication, hence expression inside the should be performed first and then the multiplication. The answer is 56. Okay. So I hope you understood the basic concept of C++ operations and expressions, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate a comment and tap bell icon to get notification about my new videos. We will see our next video about C++ control structures. Bye for now and good luck.